Hello mga gala, naghahanap ba kayo ng probinsya feels staycation? Kung oo, ito na ang next destination mo. Tara, samahan mo ako dito sa Kubakog ni Lily na matatagpuan sa Sitio Paupawan, Baras, Rizal.
Private modern cabin staycation Province style for only 3K. Good for 4 packs now.
Fantastic.
Complete utensils-free use of griller, gas stove, refrigerator, and mineral water with free coffee. Spacious Bali, Ciargo Vibes toilet and bathroom were you fitted. One bedroom and one loft room with extra mattress. Unlimited use of hot kawa bath for free. With 4 feet dipping pool.
Fantastic.
Picnic area and hanging net where you can enjoy the scenery. For questions and inquiries, DM their official Facebook.
Follow, like, and share my page. Gala Ni Petite. Thank you.